introduction that provoked a restoration. May God raise people to speak for you. I was preaching on Sunday in our church and I was speaking to our congregation. I was telling them that does it not surprise you that when King Ahasuerus in the book of Esther, when she sent for Vashti, his wife, and the woman refused to show up, does it not surprise you that nobody among his inner circle spoke for her? And in fact, the only man who spoke expanded the matter. His name is Memucan. May God deliver you from Memucan. When you get back, read that text in Esther. The king was inviting his wife to come so he can show his beauty to the people. The lady refused to come. Nobody knows why. Nobody knows why. By the time they told the king that she didn't come, the Bible said among everybody gathered, a man by the name Memucan said to the king, king, this thing that happened so is not only for you. This is against all of us. In fact, the man expanded the matter. What was supposed to be a domestic matter became a national issue because of a Memucan. Memucan said to the king, he said, king, he said this thing, it will make women not to respect their husband again. He said the whole of this kingdom. He said you need to do something. Because if you don't do anything, people will begin to say, well, that's the way Vashti did not obey the king. So we don't need to obey the king. He said, pass a law. Pass a law. He wrote the law for the king. He said, let the law be that Vashti can never appear before your presence. The Bible says, and the king did according to the words of Memucan. May God deliver you from Memucan. And may God give you the introduction that will produce your restoration. Do you know that in life, if you only progress by what you do, you will not go too far? Oh, can I say that again?
Yes, sir.
If everything you achieve is based on only what you do, you can't go too far. Those who go far, you must have people speaking for you.
Yes, sir.
Somebody must mention your name. If they forget your name in important places, you may not go far. Somebody has to introduce you. When there are important matters being discussed, when they are looking for who to promote, who to favor, who to give the position, who to lift, who to bless, may your name be mentioned. An encounter is that introduction that provokes a restoration. Everything that she owned and she had lost was brought back to her. Somebody, may your own come to you today. I say, may your own come to you today. I say, may your own come to you tonight. I say, may your own come to you tonight. Say, may your own come to you tonight.